Welcome to my channel again, and today I'm going to show you how to install TeamViewer. Okay, so first I need to go to my browser. That's my browser here. Okay, not now. Let's make it full screen. Okay, and then search for TeamViewer. TeamViewer. Okay, and then come here, teamviewer.com, and then click here, download for free. Okay, we want the personal version. Okay, the free version. Just click on here, save file, wait for a while until it is downloaded. Okay, so TeamViewer is for what purpose? If you wish to know, suppose you have a problem, okay, you can't fix it by yourself, you want me to solve your problem. So TeamViewer is a software through which I can get into your PC and then fix your problem, and you will see how I fix this, and then I can get out, and then you will have your PC fixed. Okay, this is what actually TeamViewer is. Okay, of course it can be used for more various occasions. Okay, but this is the most basic part what I just say. Okay, let's see, it's taking a long time. Let's have a song. Okay, maybe. Okay, if I sing now, YouTube may ban my channel. So our TeamViewer is downloaded. Just install it. Okay, just click on here, default installation, click on accept. Okay, and then click on here, no, I only need TeamViewer for personal use. Okay, and then click on here, finish. Boom. Okay, now TeamViewer will open itself up. And now we need to click on here, just close it down. Okay, the TeamViewer page, and then here is your ID and password. You need to send this ID and password to the person who will help you. So thank you for watching this tutorial, and if you like this tutorial, you know what to do. Goodbye, my friends.